Welcome. Now I'm gonna show you how to check the air quality using your Philips Air Purifier. So first, of course, you need to open your Philips Air Plus application and then click on your device. And then here you will see your air quality, click on it, and here you will see the air quality right now, how much PM2 and 5 you have right now, how much allergens in air you have right now, and you can see the history during day, during week, during months, and during the year. I have no history because I have just activated this device. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.